Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by cleaning the joint quickly and efficiently. Any dust prevents adhesion. Once wiped, center the mesh tape over the seam and press it flat. Then spread a thin coat of compound, about 1/16 to 1/8 inch, directly over the tape edges. This locks the fibers. Make sure the compound is wet enough to adhere but not soupy, because too much compound makes bubbling and poor bonding later. Once the first coat dries, typically 24 hours, you inspect for shrinkage and soft spots. Repair those before continuing. You apply a second coat, extending it 6 to 8 inches from the seam to feather the edge and reduce visible ridges. Use long, smooth passes with your taping knife to create a gradual transition. After drying, sand lightly with 120 grit. This evens texture without cutting into the tape, so the joint stays reinforced. You finish with a thin skim coat, feathering to 10 to 12 inches for a smooth surface that blends with the wall. Once dry, prime the area because unprimed mesh can telegraph under paint. If you see bubbling or lifting, act decisively. Cut the center of the bubble, press out trapped air, remove any loose compound, and retape that section, then reapply compound. This fixes adhesion problems and prevents future cracks, keeping your repair durable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.